Today I will be showing you how to download Avast free antivirus software. Step 1, go to your preferred browser. Once you're in your browser, go to the URL, which is right here, or at the top of your screen, which is right here, and type in Avast. So Avast. Then you're going to click enter on your keyboard. And for this search, I am using Givero. Next, you're going to look for Avast.com. Avast.com, so www.avast.com. You're going to click it. And you're going to wait for the website to load. Alright, so here's the website. Free antivirus software is your first step to a complete online protection. Award-winning free antivirus software that's light and powerful. Join over 435 million people who trust Avast to keep them safe. So you're going to click download free. It's right here. Now for Mac users, it would be a Mac logo, so an app logo here, and yeah, so you click it. Alright, so now you're going to press save. Alright, and here it's basically telling you where to go and install, so you're going to click this arrow and you're going to click install. So click the arrow, click open, and then it's going to load, and then user account control. Unfortunately, this does not show up on OBS, but what you're going to do when this pops up is you're going to click yes. And it's going to start installing. Now please be patient. The software can take a while to load depending on your computer. Okay, so this is the Avast setup page. So Avast free antivirus software. You can either install what it wants you to install, or you can click customize. And that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click customize. Alright, so you want to click every single box. So you have File Shield, click that. Behavior Shield, click that. If the check mark. Now this is very important. If the check mark is here, then it is already going to install it. If the check mark is not here, like right here where it says passwords, then it won't install that. So you're going to click all the ones that have no check marks over the box. Alright, once you make sure everything has a check mark, I'm going to click install. And it is going to give you progress report right here. Okay, so now that it is installed onto your computer, you're going to click the Avast logo that is in orange. Or if you are a Mac user, then it is the bouncing Avast icon. I'm going to click it, and then here it is. We're protecting you in real time. You're going to click continue. Now this is just for the free version, so continue with free. And you're on your first scan. And it's going to take a while to load up the software. Alright, now we're going to click next, which is right here. And then we're going to click next again. And then advanced issues, we're fine. This is just for Avast to get you into purchasing their product, but we're going to keep it for free. So we're going to click skip for now. And then you're going to press skip. And then you're going to press done. And then you're going to press ignore. I know there's a lot. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you download Avast free antivirus software. Please kindly provide your feedback in the comment section below. This will help me improve. And what other virus detection softwares should I review or show you how to download? See you in the next one. Bye.